You're listening to EPN, the ePodcast Network.
Welcome to Enterprise Radio, the signature show of EPN, the Entrepreneur Podcast Network, your channel for exclusive interviews with entrepreneurs, small business owners, and some of the world's top executives who share business strategies and insights that can all help you build your business, leading to your business success. And now, broadcasting from anywhere between Brazil, South America to Los Angeles, California, it is your host, Eric Dye.
This is Eric Dye, and once again, welcome to Enterprise Radio, working in conjunction with the mobile app channel, a part of EPN, the Entrepreneur Podcast Network. Today, we are speaking with Bryan Payne, founder and CEO of Skout Deal, which is a mobile location-based deal finding app. Certainly looking forward to hearing all about this. And Mr. Payne, welcome to Enterprise Radio.
Great to be here, Eric.
You bet, and good to have you. So tell us, what is Skout Deals? Looking forward to hearing the details.
Skout Deals, as you mentioned, is a location-based deal finding app. And what it does is it helps people find incredible deals at local merchants. One of the requirements on our app is that if merchants put their deals on the app, everything has to be 25% off or more. And so essentially the way it works is it's a free app, and if a user downloads the app, and based on where their location is, they would, be looking for something. So they could look by merchant, they could look by a category or a keyword, and whatever deals apply to what they're searching for nearby, they'll appear on the app.
Now, Bryan, I'm going to ask the question, how did you come up with this brilliant idea?
It was basically a solution to a problem, and it wasn't really my intent to come up, or my wife's intent to come up with this concept. We had a problem, and our background is my wife and I are deal finders. We always have been. Some people call us extreme. And what we found was it was getting tougher and tougher to find deals nearby. At one point, years past, we would just get, a newspaper insert or magazine ads or, some sort of direct mail. And what was happening was we were getting inundated, and there were so many deals, but it was tough to find specific deals that we were looking for. So we searched to try to find an app that consolidated all these deals and made our life easier, because our life was starting to become more difficult in that we were trying to categorize deals, keep track of deals, when did deals expire. So we couldn't find an app out there that actually did that. And we thought, this would be a great product where everything could be consolidated, and we could build some sorting features and some intelligence that we've used over the years to find and organize deals. So that was the beginning of how we came up with this idea.
And Bryan, what makes your app different than the popular Groupon? Get into some of the differences there.
Right. That's the first question that people will ask us. And there's a big difference in that Groupon is daily deals, which means they will find a merchant, the merchant will offer some sort of highly discounted deals, or deal rather, and for a limited time, people could find that deal and purchase that deal. But it doesn't have all of the merchants on it, and intentionally they'll take one sort of product per area and offer it. What makes us different is that we offer merchants, every merchant, to put their deals on. And rather than with Groupon where it's random, a spot could come up today, something else could come up tomorrow, we put the power into the user, the consumer's hands, where when they want something, they can find it. And it's not random. And the other big difference is a lot of merchants don't want to use Groupon. They don't want to put their deals on Groupon for a variety of reasons. The main reasons are that they may not have something that is highly discounted. Number two is it's very difficult to turn a profit with Groupon. There's a rev share, and the merchant has to, lower their price, and then the remaining dollars they have to share with Groupon, which is pretty significant. So it tends to be a loss leader, where with our app, merchants put deals. We don't do a rev share. They can put reasonable deals that when people come in, they can still make a profit off of those deals. So it's a completely different space that we're in than Groupon. Although we both offer deals, we offer them very differently.
Thanks for clarifying the differences there. Now, how many deals do you have on the app?
We currently have, on average, about 50,000 deals per day, and that's at roughly 170,000 merchants. Sometimes it moves merchant locations, rather. Sometimes it's higher than that. And typically, every day we're adding 5,000 to 10,000 new deals on the app every day.
And I would say that's a truckload worth of deals there. Today we are joined by Bryan Payne, founder and CEO of Skout Deals, which is a mobile location-based deal-finding app here on Enterprise Radio, a part of the Entrepreneur Podcast Network. Don't forget, you can follow the show on Twitter at ePodcast Network, and we're also streaming on demand 24/7 on TuneIn Radio and the TuneIn Radio app for your listening convenience. Now, Mr. Payne, there is some really smart features and notifications to make it easier for people to save money. Explain what they are and how they work here on this app.
So, as I mentioned, we're extreme deal finders, and over the years, we have developed techniques and processes that we use to organize our deals and help us save the most amount of money. So we built that intelligence and those processes into the app. So first off, when you find a deal or a consumer finds a deal, they can save it. So as they're searching through the app, they come across a deal, they can favor that deal and it gets saved. The benefit of that is we notify that person when the deal's about to expire. So all of the deals tend to have an expiry date on them, and we remind them. So if they forget, they'll get a notification that this deal is about to expire. The other thing that we do is we have what's called a shopping cart, or a shopping list, rather. And the shopping list, if you're looking for an item, you may not have an immediate need to purchase that item, but you're looking for it. So it could be, an item, maybe a pressure washer. It could be a television set. And you can save that item to your shopping list. And when you save it to the shopping list, what we do is every day we look through all the deals on the app. Any new deals, this is done automatically, any new deals that are put onto the app, we search, and if they fit your criteria, if it's a television that you're looking for or a certain brand of television, we'll notify you. So all of the items on your shopping list, it could be items that you buy often, will notify you of deals. So you don't have to continuously look for deals. The other thing is that people are not always looking for the same deal. So, for example, we have a list of categories on the app, everything from automotive to beauty, personal items, women, men, and pets. And there's a list of about 29 different categories. And not everybody is looking for deals in each category. If I don't have a pet, I'm not really interested in, having to search for a pet or having that available. So what we allow the consumer to do is they can select the categories that they are most interested in and customize their home screen. So it makes it easier for them to find deals. The other nice feature that we have is if you are continuously buying or searching for a certain item through the app, we'll suggest deals. So deals that are similar or we think that you may like, we'll also suggest those deals. And our merchants have the ability through our platform to send exclusive deals to specific customers. So if you're a good customer, you buy from that business regularly through the app, or you're looking at deals on the app, we keep track of that, and we let the merchant know that this person is actively involved in your business or interested in your products. And that merchant can actually target that customer specifically, or group of customers, with an exclusive deal. And then finally, what we do also is many businesses have freebies. You know, they may post a freebie to the app, and many people are, who's not interested in a freebie? So if a freebie gets posted to the app, we'll notify the consumer right away that somebody nearby has just posted this freebie to the app. One thing I should mention about freebies, that on the app we have this really terrific feature where merchants can post what we call surprise freebies, where a merchant may want to give away, 2 coffees a day, a local coffee shop. And the more users are on the app, these surprise freebies will appear. So they may be looking for some other item. They're scrolling through the app, and up comes a surprise freebie, which will have a free offer at some local location. And if they're interested in it, they can save it and use it later. And if not, they don't have to save it, and it goes back into the pool, and somebody else may win that freebie.
Pretty awesome stuff, and it sounds like a no-brainer to have this application right there on your smartphone without a question. And today, how do businesses put their deals on the app, and is there a cost for that?
Right. So a big part of what we wanted to do was bring merchants together with consumers in their marketplace. So we built a do-it-yourself platform, which a merchant on their desktop could log into our system, create a deal, and post the deal up to the app. And literally, they could do it in a matter of, a couple of minutes. And it's so easy to use. If they can post to Facebook, they can use our marketing platform. We've tried to really simplify it. And we allow merchants to we have 4 different types of plans. The first plan is what we call our Forever Free plan. So any merchant can go and post up to 2 deals on our app at no cost. If they want to post more deals, or they want to see data on how well their deals are doing, then they can upgrade to our premium plans. And we have a Premium Plus, and a Premium Pro, and we charge a monthly subscription fee. So the free plan is free, no strings attached. If they want to upgrade to the other plans, it's very affordable. It's $39 or $40 a month, $39.95 per month for our premium plan, and our most expensive plan is $129.95 per month, and that allows them all sorts of data, allows them to target to specific customers. It's really our most popular plan that merchants sign up for.
Now, I understand that you also have a unique business opportunity for salespeople to essentially start their own business with Skout deals, which is quite interesting. Explain how you came up with this sales model and how all this works.
Right. So in my work life for, 30 years, I've been involved in businesses that have had a direct sales force. And I looked at this model and felt that this could be a perfect opportunity for somebody either in a local marketplace or who wants to work from home doing telesales. Much of our, sales is actually done over the phone. And what we've done is set up a structure where we've created a 1099 position, basically someone starting their own business, no different than somebody who's starting their own business, essentially if they're selling real estate or financial services, We have a very small onboarding fee that gets them all set up, gives them, sales management systems, leads, etc. And what they do is they go out to local merchants or large enterprise type clients, and they sell our packages, our subscription package. And the beauty is that they sell once, and we have a residual commission structure. So if they sell a merchant on the plan and that merchant continues on the plan for a year, 2 years, or beyond, the salesperson, gets a residual commission. So they're essentially building their business. And why it's been really well received is that we're not creating a new behavior. This is deals and coupons and finding deals is a really established behavior. It's, we've been doing it. I think the first coupon came out by Coca-Cola in 1885 or something like that. So people know what deals are, coupons are, and also merchants have established budgets for marketing. So they may be doing direct mail, print, billboards, television, etc. So this is a really great opportunity for salespeople because they're selling a product that everybody understands, and they're selling a product that merchants have a budget for, and providing it works for them, which it has been very effective for the merchants that we have on it right now. They're going to continue. So it's a wonderful business opportunity for somebody who's good at sales or has wanted to get into sales, that type of people person, marketing background, where they can effectively be their own boss, start their own business, work from home. And so that's the way that we are marketing and selling the product to merchants.
Well, this has truly been phenomenal to hear about Skout Deals. I think this is solid from A to Z, not only the app, but including the business opportunities that you offer as well. In conclusion, any closing thoughts, takeaways, or a final tip or anything else that you would like to add?
Other than the product itself is revolutionary. There's nothing like it out right now. You have different types of products, whether it's Groupon or Yelp or Retail Me Not, and they all have a different space. Where we're at with this location-based deal finding is really revolutionary. It's new. Our business model is unlike any other model out there, and we're excited.
And with reason, tell us where our listeners can get more information in all regards on Skout Deals.
They can go to our website, which is skoutdeals.com, and Skout is spelled with a K, S-K-O-U-T, deals.com. And when they get there, they can download, there'll be a link that can take them to the App Store or the Google Play Store, and they can download the app for free and get started. And if they're a merchant, they'll see an area on the website that says post your deals for free. They can click that, and there's information on how they get started in a matter of minutes.
Once again, Bryan, it has been our pleasure to have had you, and look forward to another opportunity of having you back with us right here on Enterprise Radio.
Great. Thanks a lot, Eric.
We have been speaking with Mr. Bryan Payne, founder and CEO of Skout Deals, which is a mobile location-based deal-finding app. And for more information, simply visit skoutdeals.com. And this is Eric Dye, and you've been listening to Enterprise Radio, a part of EPN, the Entrepreneur Podcast Network. Pick up our iPhone or Android mobile app for your exclusive mobile listening convenience. And once again, we do thank you for tuning in.
Thanks again for listening to Enterprise Radio here on the Entrepreneur Podcast Network. To subscribe for future programming, simply visit epodcastnetwork.com.
This is the ePodcast Network.